Okay, so this slime is called Beautiful Sand Dust. So this is the one. And the next one is called Clouds in the Sky. Okay, and also this one. Okay, the next one is called so this one is called Frozen. It is glow in the dark with snowflakes. So, here. So this is called Luna's slime. So Luna chose this. Okay. Next, Luna's second slime. Okay. So the letters Luna put is L-U-L. Okay, so the next one is Desert at Night. Okay, so the next one is called Blue Glittery Slime. So this is called My Dream Surfboard. Ugh, I hate this ad. Like, I see it everywhere and it is so irritating. So this one is my second favorite. It is called Clear Water with Salt. And that's it for the video. And I wanted to show you something. So here. So now let's go here. Do you know what? No, let's not. So here. So if you chat with me on Snapchat, my username will be in the link in the description. So if we just paste send. Oh no, what's this? Ugh. So this is just a mishap. So then you can just press. Also, you have to download the game. So then you open. Also, tell me what slime you want, and if you don't know, then what you like. If you don't know what you want, then you could just. Then I will send you the. What is it? I could send you the latest slime I have made. So this is what you do. So you just press on one super slime, then open. Let's press this, and then it will say new gift received. You press open, and then it will come. My dream surfboard. So also I will show you the rest. This is called the Blue Sparkly Ocean. This is called Magical Ocean. And this one is called My First Slime. So here, these are all that I have. And this is Lulu's Slime Quest. So this is Slime Painter. I have not seen that here. So that's it. What's that? I hate all of these ads. Next video, you will not see any more ads because I am going to pay for no ads. What happened? I think it froze. I did not want to buy it. Okay, so I guess we have to wait. Free. Someone you loved. Let's listen to the music, everyone.
No, wash your hands. I bit myself so hard.
So guys, like the video if you want me to play this game.
What? Like the video if? Tanya, you know people are gonna watch this, right?
Yeah.
What's wrong? What's wrong?
Okay. So good. So I think this is going to be purple. Now I feel like it's orange. Yay, I got it. I guessed right. Okay, so select an image from your gallery. Let's do when I was little. Let's do this one now. This is Luna. I'm flying. She's flying. Okay, so Lulu's Slime Quest. I hate this. Okay, so here. See, once we tap, look what it's gonna do. This. So this slime is called Betty the Cow. So I think this is gonna be silver. I hope this is correct. Yay! I got it. Oh, so now I got secret treasure. Neon orange and baby pink. So this is no fight. So this is gonna be cloud. Cloud. Silver. Okay. Foam. Foam balls. So I guess this is it for the video. And I want to show you one more thing. Okay, so let's go to Snapchat. And I will show you. Let me just wear these. So I made this slime with blue tack and shaving foam and sanitizer. I don't want this. Okay. So now we are going to look. I don't want to look at this. So now we are going to look at some Bitmoji stories. Okay. What's with the shovel? I buried a time capsule here and today's the day I get to open it. Ooh. Gunk. Open it, open it. A letter to my future self. Don't even forget about this. I owe you 5. Signed. Got to go. Okay, so that was it. So also, if you go here, this is just me. Okay. So here, we could play a game together, like Bitmoji Party. We could play this together. We could play any game together. So this is me.